Hi everyone! This is Lhia de Guzman, your 2026 I Am Brand Ambassador. If you're looking for a forklift that delivers real performance and real savings, it's time to meet this, the all-new DEVELON DF30BE-X. From hygiene-critical food and pharma plants to rugged outdoor loading bays, this isn't just an indoor lift. It's a high-voltage forklift that bridges the gap between zero-emission efficiency and diesel-like durability. The ergonomic cabin features a smart digital display and enhanced visibility for total control. Experience the premium edge with ATV lithium-ion power for fast lifts and opportunity charging, paired with pro-level specs like a 3-meter lift height, side shifter, and durable solid tires. Plus, stay in total control with Smart Ops, featuring an emergency smart button for maximum safety. Backed by IM Service nationwide, we keep you running with 24/7 expert support and genuine parts. At IM, your long-term success is our priority. DEVELON DF30BE-X, premium power, proven support, distributed by Infra Machineries, the dealer makes the difference.